Come with me to discover facts about hotel pool impacts. In hospitality, your pool isn't just an amenity, it's a premium promise. Clear, comfortable, refreshing water every day. Your hotel pool drives bookings, but can be silently killing profits. But behind the scenes, that promise can become a weekly fight. Chemical swings, constant balancing, water loss, labor hours, and the risk of guest complaints when water quality slips. All the while, chemical costs go up 15% and energy up 9% year over year. This is why we created AquaRev Water, an innovative commercial pool water treatment solution, NSF-50 Certified, and backed by a lifetime warranty. Our technology generates cleaner, more stable water that requires less additives with no moving parts, requires no maintenance, and installs in under an hour. An elegant and highly effective solution. AquaRev Water performs time and time again with superior water quality and reductions in the key cost drivers that matter to leading operators like Hilton, Marriott, the Ritz-Carlton, Holiday Inn, Best Western, and more that all use AquaRev Water. Here's some facts. At the Ritz-Carlton Luxury Resort in Oahu, results were documented across major cost centers achieving reductions of 70% water loss, 30% salt use, 50% sodium bicarbonate, 43% acid, and 20% energy use. That all resulted in a 68% overall operating cost reduction. That is a major impact. In fact, the management team also published the results in their annual corporate ESG report. At a Hilton property in Las Vegas, results included 89% water loss reduction, plus 41% chlorine reduction, and 33% acid reduction. That means cleaner water, reduced chemicals, and major operating cost cuts. Want to see what this looks like for your property? Start with our cost savings calculation and get a clear estimate in minutes. Starting at $99 per month, you can quickly realize positive cash savings in the first month. Activate the AquaRev Water advantage at your property. Just cleaner water, reduced costs, and a better guest experience.